Guys, welcome back to Gloria Home of Skills. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to produce tallow oil. This oil can be used to produce a lot of things like candles, soaps and other things. So a lot of people have been asking me how to get it and how to produce it, and that's why I'm sharing this video. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So guys, this is it. This is called animal fat. So it's like this because it has been in my freezer for a month, so I forgot it there. So I just saw it and I decided to produce this and show you guys. It's looking like this because it has been in the freezer for a month and it is frozen. So I want to take it to the sink right now to wash it and proceed to the next stage. So guys, please like and share this video. To my returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my video, and if today is the first time I've come across my channel, thank you for tuning in, and please encourage me by subscribing to my channel. So let me answer the questions of the people that have been asking me through the comment section and in my WhatsApp chat. So you can get this in a meat store. So just go to the market, book it from where they sell meat. That's where you will get it easily. And secondly, you can get it where they kill meat in a slaughterhouse. So you can get it there. And also there are some people that sells it, but I don't know, if you are finding it very difficult to get, you can produce it at your own comfort zone. Because this can be booked ahead, you can just tell the meat seller to keep it for you. So anytime you are ready, you can go there and pick it up. So I left it for a while for it to defrost. So you can see how neat it is now. So I'm going to proceed to cut it and move to the next stage. So guys, in case you don't know, this fat is from cow. So I'm just telling you now so that you will know, in case you can use any fat as far as it's animal fat. So but I'm using cow fat, so I'm going to be using this to produce a soap. Guys, please like and share my video so that it can be pushed to other audience to watch. Thank you. I'm going to be pouring this into a cooking pot, then cover it and take it to the gas cooker for it to cook. It doesn't take time to cook. I'm going to sprinkle some water into it so that my pot won't get burnt. At least it will see water to start from before the oil will start extracting. So that's why I'm pouring this water, so that my pot won't get burnt. So here is it. The oil has begun to extract, though it hasn't been done. You can see the way it's looking is not okay right now, so I'm going to leave it for a while for it to cook very well so that the oil will come out. But if you don't have patience, if you want to bring it out like this, it's still okay, but I want all the oil to come out from the fat. As you can see, our tallow is done, so I'm going to take all these things out and sieve it. So guys, mind you, this oil is not good for cooking because it's a hard oil. It can only be used to produce things like soaps, candle, etc. So it's a hard oil, so it's not good for cooking. It's only good for productions. This oil can make your soap hard, so that's why I said it's a hard oil. So subscribe to my channel and like and share this video, and also press the bell notifications to stay updated when next I upload a new video. So guys, if you want to learn more on soap making, want to learn more on standard liquid soap like Morning Fresh, bar soap, profit in soap, contact the number on the screen, and please write me. Do not call me, write me on WhatsApp, because some people do call at odd time. Please write me, and
Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.